Crazy Crafters, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making a bunny jar for Easter. Now let's get to it.
The materials you'll need for this craft are jelly beans, some Easter grass, a small chocolate bunny that will fit in your jar, a cupcake wrapper, a piece of paper, a clean empty jar, tape, pen, and scissors. First thing you'll want to do is take your lid off the jar, and we're going to take our Easter grass and put that down inside. You can use your pen and just gently poke it down inside, and then you're going to take your chocolate bunny, and you can pick these up at dollar stores and stuff for like $1, cheap, and just place that inside on the grass, and then take some jelly beans and just kind of scatter those around inside the jar. Just kind of drop them in. And you can put in as many as you'd like. And then we can set those aside. And then what we want to do is take our paper and our lid, and we're just going to trace around the lid. And then we're going to cut that out. And this is just going to cover the lid a little bit so it doesn't show through the cupcake wrapper. So what you'll do then is take a small piece of tape, make a tape bubble, and put that on the paper and put that right on top of the lid. And then you can put the lid on the jar. And then you'll take the cupcake wrapper and put that over top of the lid. Make sure it's kind of in the center, and then gently just press it down so it forms to the jar lid like that. And then we're going to take another small piece of tape and make a tape bubble and put that right in the center of the cupcake wrapper. And then gently press that down on the jar, and that's your finished product.
I hope you had fun creating your bunny jar. If you like this video, please consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, Crazy Crafters, for tuning in. We'll hope to see you next time. Bye!